my JavaScript course for beginners. This lesson we learn about console log in JavaScript. Console log. How to use console log. This page, open script tag. And between, I want to write code between script tag. Console date log 10 and 10. Control S, my web page. Now Java lesson. I want to see console log web page source link. Click console log. Okay, now check it code. Okay, continuing lesson. This console log 10 and 10. Control S, and after test console web page 20. Source, console, and elements. For example, console log only text. I want to write only text. Hello world. Control S, and after refresh page. Okay, you can see hello world in console. Console log for log only mathematic and text. You can write mathematic or text message for console log you can use. Other lesson, I want to display date and time button. Now lesson finish. Other lesson, see you later.